Hi everyone, this is page 131 and today we'll be doing word problem involving fractions of a set. Let's look at question 1. Question 1 reads, Hui-Ling bought 18 chicken nuggets and she ate 6 of them. What fraction of the chicken nuggets did she eat? Give your answer in the simplest form. So using the pictorial here, we can just cross out the 6 chicken nuggets that she ate. Now if you look closely, these chicken nuggets are actually in sets. So we have one set here, there's another set here, and another set here. There are a total of 3 sets, and from the set we can see that she ate 1 out of the 3 sets. Now if you are not using the 3 sets, you can also work out from the number given. So she ate 6 out of the total of 18, and when we simplify, divide it by 6, we will also get 1 out of 3. Okay, so the answer is 1 out of 3. Let's look at the next question, question 2. Janice bought 28 balloons at a carnival. 1 out of 4 of them flew away. How many balloons flew away? Let's focus our attention at the fraction here, 1 out of 4. 4 means there are 4 parts. Okay, if I draw a model, it will mean there are 4 parts of 4 sets. And 1 out of 4 flew away. We also know that there is a total of 28 balloons for all these 4 sets. Now using a model, I'm very sure you have heard your teacher mention about units. So these sets can also be mentioned like units, which means 4 units has 28 balloons. Can you find 1 unit? To find 1 unit, you divide it by 4 and you will get 7. So with that, we find the answer, which is 7 balloons flew away. Let's go on to the next page. This is question 3 of page 132. Mrs. Tay baked 45 cookies. She gave 5 out of 9 of them to her friends. How many cookies did she give her friends? Now, just like our previous question, we focus our attention on the fraction here, the denominator of the fraction, which says 9, which means 9 total units. Now, these 9 total units is the same. So, there are 9 total units, and these 9 units will equal to 45 cookies. So, can you find 1 unit? Yes, you can. To find 1 unit, you divide it by 9, which will give you 5. So now you know that each unit, for every unit, there are 5 cookies. Okay? But what you really want to find out is how many cookies did she give away, which is 5 out of 9 of the units here. So we can write down here 5 units is 5 times 5. That is 25. So that's our final answer. How many cookies did she give her friends? Mrs. Tay gave 25 cookies to her friends. Okay, let's move on to question 4. Amia has 36 stickers. She gave 2 out of 3 of her stickers to Lily. How many stickers did Amia give Lily? Once again, let's focus our attention to the denominator of the fraction, which tells you the total part. So here the total part is 3. So if we draw a model, we will have 3 parts. Okay? And the total for these 3 parts is 36. Let's find 1 unit. So we can write down here 3 units is equals to 36 stickers. And she gave away 2 out of 3 units, or 2 out of 3 parts. So 3 units is 36. Let's find 1 unit first. 1 unit is 36 divided by 3, which will give you 12. So now we know that each unit has 12. And Amia gave 2 out of 3 units to her friends. So what is 2 units? 2 units is 2 times 12, which will give us 24. Our final answer is Amia gave 24 stickers to Lily. Now by this time, you should notice that we are using the fraction of a set to identify how many total units and how many parts. So I just want to recap. For example, this fraction 2 out of 3, the denominator tells you the total units, and the numerator will telling you how many parts or how many units are affected.